Welcome back again, traders. So let's break down today's OTC setups, which were like based on pure logic and candle psychology. To join our channels, you can just click on the link in description or just message us on our username. So as you can see, the first signal was for American Express OTC for the call side. Yeah, so let me explain you. Yeah, so in this trade, you can just check out what a good win. Yeah, so in this trade, you can see 5 continuous red candles, which were like pushing hard to the downside. But the 5th candle right here, the momentum was slowing and the sellers were losing strength. So we take one calculated risk for the upside, and the result was confirmed. Amazing one right there. You can just check out. The next signal was for Apple OTC for the call side. And this you can check out, what a big candle, what a good win. Yeah, so and this, the price came straight into the support level. Wick started forming and the rejection started increasing, and the level was held perfectly. So our support was respected and the market reacted like as we guessed. Yeah, so this was a good one. You can just check out. The next signal was for again Apple OTC for the call side, 5 minutes. Always remember, our trades are always on 5 minutes. You have to trade on 5 minutes with the flag timer. Yeah. So yeah, in this you can just check out. This was also a good one. Yeah. So in this setup, you can see this bullish candle completely engulfed this red candles, and showing that buyers were gaining the power, domination, the structure plus engulfing plus momentum, everything was aligned. So we just took this trade for the upside, and this was a very amazing win, another amazing win. You can check out our trades, amazing wins for today. These setups like prove one thing: when you understand everything we just teach you, the support, the fake breakouts, and the candle psychology, even the OTC has become simple and predictable. So yeah, see you in the next breakdown. Till then, goodbye.